get you, Witch Funling! What? Hey! Take that!
Is it Funling?
Uh-oh! Ooh! Oh, what did I trip up on? Hey, who put this toolbox here? Whoa! Did it just glow?
Oh, Funling, please could you use that toolbox to repair me?
But I don't know how to repair you.
Please, I can barely move.
Oh, fine, I'll take a look. Now let's see. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Whoa!
Oh yes, that's it. Yes, I'm completely fixed. Thanks, Funling.
You're welcome?
Bye.
I didn't do anything. The tools fixed Thomas by themselves. I think it's a magic toolbox. Ooh, I've got to test it out again. Okay. Wow, it fixed the rock. It can fix anything. How can I use this to my advantage? Listen up, everyone. I can fix absolutely anything, so long as I have my toolbox. Please could you help me? My guitar is broken. Listen. Can you fix it? Of course. I've got a concert later, so I really need a working guitar. Fixed! Really? That was quick. Yes, it's perfect, thanks. Hey Funling, can you fix this? My oven burnt my cake. Yeah, I'll take a look. I can't let this burnt cake ruin my reputation. My cakes are always perfect. It's all fixed. Really? Oh wow, it is.
Hey, Funling, can you fix me? I'm green for some reason.
Of course. How's that later?
Oh yeah, perfect, thanks.
You're welcome. What's going on over here then? This Funling is fixing everything for us. Ah, that would explain why my workshop is so quiet today. He can fix anything.
And he can do it really fast too.
Yep, sorry, looks like I'm Fix-It Funling now, not you. Ah, okay then. I'll just go. Anyone else need anything fixing? Yes, I do. I was wondering if you could repair this spaceship. Yeah, I can do that, so long as I have my toolbox. Uh-oh. What was that? Nothing. It sounded like magic wearing off. No, it wasn't that. Oh well, off you go then. Please repair my spaceship. Okay. Oh, I hope the magic hasn't worn off this toolbox, because I don't know how to repair this spaceship. Go on, tools, do your thing. Come on, please. Oh no, they're not magic anymore. How will I repair this ship? Doors opening. Uh-oh, someone's coming. Hello again. Ah, Fix It Funling, I'm so glad to see you. Why, I thought you could fix anything. Well, actually, these tools were magic. They repaired everything, not me. But now the magic's worn off and I can't fix this spaceship. Okay, I'll help you fix it if you leave all the fixing from now on to me. Yes, of course. Right, let's fix this spaceship then. He did it! Thank you, Funling. That can't have been easy. Actually, I didn't fix it. Fix It Funling did. And if anyone needs anything fixing from now on, please go to him. He's the real professional.